Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about starting your seeds indoors. So there are a few things that you are going to need to get started. First, you want a good seed starting mix. You first want to pre-moisten this. Now you don't want it soaking wet, you want it evenly moist. The second thing you are going to need is a seed starting kit. They come with a lid so that your seed will germinate quicker. Keeps all the moisture in there, but it also loosely fits so that air still circulates in there for your seeds. When you put your grow medium in here and you plant your seeds, always want to bottom water. So as your seedlings are growing, you want to water from the bottom, not over the top. A lot of times what will happen is there might be some algae growing on top of the soil, and if you water it from the top, it can cause all of that to get down into the roots, and it can really harm your plant and cause it to get diseases. Next, you need your grow lights. So I have grow lights, as you can see behind me here, and I keep them about 3 or 4 inches away from the plant. You don't want them so close to your plant that they could burn them, but you also don't want them far away because they will get leggy and thin, and so we don't want that. The next thing I do is I place a fan on my seedlings as they grow, and this helps their stems grow nice and strong as well. Sometimes I use a heat mat. Now I only use these for my warm weather crops. To place a heat mat underneath this seed tray is going to allow things to germinate quicker. Now if you have a heat mat and you're trying to germinate a cool weather crop, they're not gonna like that, so you don't wanna do that. So if you're growing Brussels sprouts or lettuce or spinach or kale, all of those are cool weather crops, so you do not wanna use a heat mat to germinate, but just let them come up on their own. And that's really it, guys. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or if you have any comments, if you have some things that maybe you do that you think work better, you can also let me know. I'd love to hear what you all are doing to grow your seedlings indoors. Thanks for watching.